Daniela, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Gimme More TikTok trend, which looks pretty hard, but it's really easy to learn. The moves are really easy. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand with our legs apart and our right hand goes down. We're going to pretend we're going to grab something and pull it up, just like that. So, 1. And then with the other hand, the same thing. 2. So, 1, 2. And after this, what we're going to do is we're going to put our hands down and we're going to do like this circle with mostly our neck, but we're also going to do it with our shoulders a little bit. So it's going to look like this, just like that. And also when we do it, we're not like, when we watch the TikTok, you're not really going to see it, but to make it look better, you can bend your knees a little bit if you have to. So just like that. 1. Once again. Perfect. So from the beginning, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So after this, our hands are going to go towards us, just like that. And then they're going to go forward. And we're going to go like towards our hands. We're going to lean forward a little bit and we're going to bend our legs and we're going to go 1, 2. So basically, once again, from this part, our hands go towards us and then they do like this circle. And when they go forward, we're going to go like towards our hands. We're going to reach towards them basically. And then we're going to twist our leg twice, just like that. I know it looks weird, but when you do the actual TikTok, it's going to look better, don't worry. So from the beginning, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, when you do the 2 twists, you're going to do like a small wave back and you're going to go 1, 2. So once again, from here, you're going to do like this wave. So you're going to start with your head. And then you just do this wave, your hand goes here, and you're gonna go 1, 2. Perfect. So now we're gonna do the same thing we did before. 1, but we're gonna twist only once, just like that. 1. That's it. So let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. So let's go. 1, 2. Circle, step, twist, twist, wave. 1, 2, wave, twist. Okay, so I also wanted to say that after you do this, if you want, when you do like this wave, if you flip your hair like that, it's gonna look even better. It's gonna look really cool. Just wanted to say you can do whatever you want, but just if you add it, it will look really cool. So after we do this, the last twist, we're gonna do like a small wave back and we're gonna go 1, 2. So we're gonna do like this, like the sway move. Basically, it's just 2 small waves without using your head. You're gonna go 1, 2 with your hands. And then for the last 2 moves, we're gonna clap, just like that, just 1, and then we're gonna do this pose, just like that. So to do this pose, our left hand goes behind our head, and then our right one goes over here. And then we're just gonna bend our right leg, just like that. So, clap 1. Once again, clap 1. Perfect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the dance from the beginning twice. First, we're going to go and do it slow, and then we're going to do it fast. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2. Circle. 1. Twist. Twist. Back. 1, 2. Back. Twist. Back. 1, 2. Clap. Pose. Perfect. And now the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2. Circle. 1. Twist. Twist. Back. 1, 2. Back. Twist. Back. 1, 2. Clap. Pose. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.